I'm Dana Stunkley, Records Grade Specialist at Elgin Community College. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to submit grades and grade changes. We want to log into the Access ECC portal, go to the Employee tab, and choose the Self-Service app. Once you are in the app, you will choose the Faculty option, and you will see a list of all of your courses. Select the course that you wish to enter grades for, and you will see a roster. You'll want to choose the grading option. The overview will show any grading information you have already submitted. Since there is no information entered yet, we'll start with the midterm grades. Midterms are always due the Monday following the midterm date by 7 p.m. You just want to go through and use the drop-down menu to select the midterm grade that is applicable for the student. If you wish to drop a student from your class at midterm, submit a grade of W. If they've never attended, you can select the midterm grade of W and check the never attended box. You can use the last date of attendance to keep record if you choose. Once you submit a W or mark never attended, that information will be sent to the records office to be processed within a business day. Please keep in mind that grades like CR, NC, or AU should only be used as a midterm grade if a student is eligible for that grade as a final grade as well. Once you've submitted your midterms, you can go back to the overview. The updated grades will load, and you will see the entries here. When it comes to final grading, we use the final grading screen. It looks very similar to the midterm grading, and you will select your final grades. Final grades are always due the Monday following the end of the course by 4 p.m. Again, keep in mind grades like CR, NC, and AU are only applicable for some students and some courses. And the final grade of W should never be entered. Once that is complete, again, you can go to the overview and check the grades that have been entered. Once the final grades have been verified by the records office, if you go into the grading for the course, final grade, you will see that you can no longer edit. You will also see here that students who are in cross-listed sections, the cross-listed information will be here under their name. If you check your final grades, or if a student has submitted additional work and you realize you need to change their final grade, you'll use the grade change option. Back to faculty, grade changes, and a new screen will open. Select the semester, and then select your course, and click Next. Select the new grade. Only enter an expiration date if it's for an incomplete grade. We'll use the calendar. For an incomplete. Click Next. Verify your information is correct, the student, their ID, the old grade, the new grade, expiration date for incompletes only, and your reason, and submit. You will see that the grade change has been submitted for review and will be processed by the records office within a business day. That is the process for entering grades, midterms, finals, and grade changes. If you have any questions, you can always email the records office at records@elgin.edu.